In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then you need to tap on this plus at the bottom in the middle. And first of all, set up an hour before adjusting all of those options. Then click on repeat and pick days of the week. Hit OK. Select sound and decide which option you wish to use. You can click on music on device, pick any song from your smartphone and go back. Select one of those classic ringtones by tapping on the chosen one. Or even click on vibration and select one of those patterns. To disable vibrations completely, hit none. When you finished, go back to main section of your alarm clock and tap on label. Name your alarm if you want to. Hit OK and click on ring duration. Now it's time to decide how many minutes your alarm will ring if you don't react. Then hit snooze duration and tap on OK to save your changes after adjusting how many minutes your snooze will take and how many times it will repeat. Then you can finally tap on the check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. You can switch it on or off thanks to this switcher next to it. To adjust it, click on it and manage all of those options. Then click on the same check mark. To get rid of it, click on the chosen alarm clock again. Hit delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!